Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome, where we make technology simple and accessible for everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to download Tubi on your LG Smart TV. Tubi is a fantastic streaming service that offers thousands of movies and TV shows for free. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet. You can do this either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Once your TV is connected, grab your remote and let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the LG Content Store. You can usually find this by pressing the Home button on your remote, then selecting LG Content Store from the menu. Step 2. In the LG Content Store, use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to the Apps section. This is where you'll find all the available applications for your LG Smart TV. Step 3. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search function to look for Tubi. Simply type Tubi using the on-screen keyboard, and Tubi should appear in the search results. Step 4. Click on the Tubi app icon to open its page. Here, you'll see an option to download and install the Tubi app on your LG Smart TV. Click on Download, and wait for the installation process to complete. Step 5. Once Tubi is installed, you can find it in your list of installed apps. Simply navigate back to the home screen, and you should see the Tubi app icon among your other apps. Conclusion. And there you have it. Tubi is now successfully installed on your LG Smart TV. You can open the app, sign in if you have an account, or start exploring the vast library of movies and TV shows available for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming with Tubi on your LG Smart TV.